Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at our market leading stocks for Thursday, November 13th, 2014. A little bit better volume today, not tremendously better. We do have a little bit of an upside bias here on the scans. We basically have an absence of any sell signals. We got a smattering of some upside indications. Sino was very strong today with an upside CPS closing almost 3% above the day's open. First Solar was real weak, 3% below the day's open. On good volume. In Alibaba traded real good volume again. Again, playing with that 118 and 3/4 level. Got rejected there a couple of times today, but that's definitely the level for the bulls to claim again on a closing basis. We went to the financials. Mostly contra candles here. We were mostly lower on the day, but closing above the day's open. So it's a positive indication for tomorrow. But we had very light volume for the most part in this sector. Again, the absence of sell signals. Energy patch was a little bit sloppy today. It didn't really hold up all that well. Oil rolled down as we got towards the 230 pit close, and a little weakness, more weakness in the names. Rig is a downside CPS and some decent volume. BTU, some takeover chatter going around, and that one was real strong today. 5.75% above the day's open on increased volume. Market generals don't look quite as strong as the NASDAQ patch or the financials. We've got kind of a condition here where we're paired off essentially between the buy orders and the sell orders. Most of the volume is on the light side except for Comcast. None of the RPSs have any real strong volume to give them any particular bite. Housing names, Hovnanian pulled back a little bit today after a very strong day yesterday, but did follow through with some more volume. The transports look kind of similar to the financials with the upside contra conditions present. And finally, commodity names, a couple of buys, a couple of sells, but nothing too dramatic as far as signals go. We did have some movement in the precious metals names, and most of them were quite a bit weaker today. You can see Newmont was almost 3% below the day's open. Double G has a contra candle to the downside, and so does ABX. So still trying to gain their footing here and chopping back and forth in this area. We'll have to see if they can circle the wagons there. All right, folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.